Do I look like someone who cares what God thinks? Do I look like someone who cares what God thinks?
Feet. Civil defense official.
Okay.
This heat is just driving me crazy. I don't know if I can take much more.
The condition of retrogradation is contrary or inharmonious to the regular direction of actual movement in the zodiac, and is in that respect evil. Hence, when malefic planets are in retrograde, and Saturn's malefic, okay, their malefice is increased.
Have you been doing those Reader's Digest word power columns again?
Jerry, it just means Saturn's a bad influence. Saturn's a bad influence. It's just particularly a bad influence now because it's in retrograde.
Hey man, you believe all that stuff you all say?
Oh, my.